Watch out, bruh. Kaboom.
You need a longer extension. Don't drop your nuts. This is why it is painful.
Who are them?
Kobe. Ta-da! Kobe. Alright, quick trip. Plastic trim. Don't think. Just do. Push pin with an airbag. Okay, other piece. Big old jigsaw puzzles. Hot mud, I'm sweating. Get off me. All right. We're almost there. Real quick. So tethers. These keep the airbag from going, who are them? Right? Keep them in place. So that's why I have this massive extension. But, you know, whatever. And the studs for the back are actually a tad bit longer, where you need the extra length. Alright. Now all those screws are the same. Alright. There we go. And we go. Alright. So now we are ready to cause destruction. Oh, we're not. Now we are. Alright. So here comes the fun part. Looking at my butt. Now look how cheap this is. This is literally what they use. Like, way to go. So, wooka wooka, thank you. Now these headliners are very, very, very forgiving. You're not even going to see that. Thank you. All right. We is good to go. So now they got to get all these tins. There's the airbag squib. But we're going to get all these tins out and then, you know, work the old one out and work the new one in. All right, so the left hand side is extremely easier, and then did the clutch drop. Having the right tools make it a lot easier as well. So don't drop these damn nuts. Yes, I had to turn my head, I'm sorry. And I do love the extended reach. I'm gonna go around the other way for that. I'm gonna have to put this on my OnlyFans. Ha, ha, ha. That's a nice strut, right? All right, we'll leave them all there like that. I'm gonna do this. So I don't want this to fall. Oops. So in this way, we're gonna use the, I swear some of these have been cross-threaded from the damn factory. You're going to use our eyeballs that you will develop in your fingertips as I stare off into the sky and not drop this important nut. There. Says yes. So there you there. Okay, next one's there. Yeah, this is kind of dumb skis. Let's just do this real quick because I didn't do all that. So you have, you need to be able to see. All right, look, you have there, there, and then there. Now on this side, because we have this stupid required bracket, one of these is actually blocked where I can't use the power tool. So that's why we have the ratchet over there. Instead of just showing you all this, yeah, it's kind of goofy, right? It's like being in Chuck E. Cheese again. Is that even a thing anymore? This one finger tight. Come here. Hey. Look, man, no eyes. Get your butt in there. Damn, I missed that one. Kobe. All right. This side's actually easier. Did you get that? Nah. All right. Didn't drop it. Thanks. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to grab out the ones that are not too bad, and then we'll loosen it. That's not good. I'm not getting the right angle. Definitely not getting the right angle on it. So let's try this again, because I don't want to do them by hand, because I am lazy. Oh my goodness. Wait one second. Why won't you get... Oh, the hell with it. Before I destroy every angle, every corner on that nut. Where'd you go? That's about the only thing I would buy from Snappy. I love this thing. Thank you. Hey. All right, let me get them all. All right, so there are these. Stretch. So from here, kaboop, kaboop. Where are you at? All right, and for this, so it's gonna look really sketchy for a second because I'm gonna have to suspend the connector, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to do that. And now, no worries. And then these can be a pain. So we're gonna find the release tab. And mind you, the car is not alive. Actually, let's just work one side at a time because I can't really see. She popped back in. There they go. I am sweaty. Oh yeah. You bugger. Crikey. Voila. I did have one time where this piece got stuck in here. Like I said, I think it actually came out and got stuck in the vector, and I couldn't get this thing plugged back in. So if we do this, and we go, it's going to start to come down like the London Bridge. And then we have one last one here. Using my fingertip eyeballs. Hala. And I will remove this one for you guys so you can see. Okay. Roll this out. Go around the corner. Go around the corner. Let it fall how it may. And we're back. Thank you. No, I don't want that to get stuck on anything. Come here. And fun fact, I didn't realize this until like a few of these in, but one side has a blue stripe and the other side has, I think it's red or orange, something close. It's like, yeah. So that is your curtain side airbag for the driver's side. This one is a little more crappier because, like I said, the bracket it's a little tighter. You see how the headliner is actually hanging, but you know, yeah, I can't believe this is what you get. Fucking quality. So while we're here, let's go ahead and just do this. This is really, you know, this is how it actually, you know, works. Which is, yeah. Hey. Oh God damn, Call of Duty. Oh. I have no light. Maybe not this thing on that one. It's this one. I've seen like 3 or 4 different versions of how these things actually are put together, depending on what trim level. So yeah, sticky Velcro. Yeah, looks alright to me. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other side out and struggle bust that one, and then you know, catch up with you guys later. My damn tongue, I got cotton mouth. Oh, I'm sweating. I am sweating. Success.